So far it's been great. Everyone's been very attentive and things are going smooth. Take care of my pain. Thank you for that. Yeah, time's flown by.
And would you recommend this for your friends or family?
Absolutely, I will 100% recommend this place to everyone who is interested.
So what were you expecting versus how it was?
You know, it's funny. I had no expectations at all. I thought, you know, it would be a long day, but it's been very smooth, and I can't believe what time it is. But no, I thought I would feel more, but no, it's been pretty pain-free so far.